Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. A very happy festive season to you all. Well, in today's video, I am going to show you some very beautiful Victorian necklaces and short necklaces which you're going to enjoy. This one was one of the highly requested videos from our subscribers. So I thought, why don't I bring you this awesome collections here at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. And in all the jewellery we sell at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, we only sell BIS hallmark jewellery, and on diamond jewellery you will get IGI certificate. That's one of the important things I wanted to tell you guys. And on top of this, if you're located abroad and if you liked any of these pieces, you can stay at home to your convenience and book this piece to yourself. You can contact us on the WhatsApp number to make a video call to see all the pieces available at the store and place your order right now. I want to start with the first short necklace that I am wearing. I totally love this piece because of the design, but also because this is a 2-in-1 piece. So the pendant that you're seeing here, it is detachable. So you can wear this as a pendant on a sleek chain, or you can attach to this choker and wear it as a short necklace. Isn't this an interesting thing? Now on top of this, if you're seeing the design, in this we can see beautiful elephant motifs. So we can see emeralds, uncut diamonds, diamonds and seed pearls. Well, the design is looking so superlative to me and very divinely, which is handcrafted to perfection. The net weight of this is 95 grams and the price of this is 6,80,000 rupees approximately. But if you want to know the exact prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards the second short necklace is this one. Again, this is in Victorian collection of Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, and in this we can see very beautiful ruby pota, emeralds, uncut diamonds, diamonds in a very royal way. So this piece has a combination of everything crafted in 18 karat gold. This kind of pieces are really very rare to see these days because the design is so superlative, which looks like a designer jewellery which all the brides would prefer to wear. If you like this piece and you want to buy this piece for yourself on your wedding or your special day, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards the third choker or short necklace is this one. This one is super affordable. You won't believe that the price of this is just 2,70,000 rupees only. If you see, it has so many aspects to it. The center pendant is detachable, which you can wear in a sleek chain instead of wearing this as a short necklace. And this is a Navaratna piece. In this you can see 9 beautiful gemstones which are tested and certified by the Gemological Institute of India. You can see tanzanite, pearls, blue sapphire, cat eye, coral, pearls, and you can see this beautiful Russian emeralds with seed pearls. And on the top we have given a beautiful wire like design here which looks very trendy, which girls can wear on their organza saris or their salwar kameez, which will make them look very beautiful with this statement opulent piece. Now if you're looking at the design in this wire kind of 18 karat gold, we can see combination of rose gold and white gold here in a beaded pattern which looks very appealing and attractive. Moving ahead towards the last piece is this one. This is a harem again in Victorian collection, and I like this piece because of the divinely look it will give you if you're wearing this on your normal saris or even lehenga jacket that I am wearing. And it has this multi-layer rubies in beads which looks very nice to see. It has 4 layers here like you can see, and in the center we can see Lord Balaji Swami here standing in a very beautiful way. And in this you can see the statue itself, I mean the idol itself is made of Victorian kind of design which has uncut diamonds, diamonds, seed pearls, again rubies, and also elephants on the side. I haven't seen something as divinely as this. So if you want to carry the blessings of God with you, you want this motifs of divinely gods and goddesses on your jewellery, you can custom create this. If you want some other god or goddess instead of Lord Balaji Swami, you can actually custom create this. You can contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen and custom create your own jewellery. And the price of this is 4,80,000 rupees approximately. But if you want to know the exact prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I have shown you some gorgeous, beautiful jewellery in Victorian collection of Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. The Victorian collection is actually loved by all the subscribers and also viewers because the kind of look it gives you. And in this I have shown you 2-in-1 pieces which can be converted into choker and can be worn as a short necklace also. And I have also shown you mala which can be worn as a pendant in the mala, or you can wear this as a pendant in a sleek chain. So these are the jewelry that I have shown you guys, which are really very nice, which you should definitely explore. And if you are located abroad, you can also contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen and place your order right now. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon so that you stay connected for more videos and notifications from our side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.